Hello friends, join me as we draw funny onion. First, let's draw the shape of her body or bulb. Next, her tunic. Then her eyes, her lip. Let's draw her arms and hands. In one hand, she is holding a stick. A small bag tied in the stick. Let's draw circles on her bag. Then, her legs and feet. And now, let's add color to Funny Onion together. Let's add orange color to her body. Do you like onion? The tearful troopers in the vegetable world. Onions are like nature's flavor wizards, adding a bit of magic to every meal. Sure, they might make your eyes a little watery, but that's just their way of saying, "Hey, I'm here to make things tasty." Funny Onion is enjoying to look around. A brown color on her stick. A combination of red and white color on her bag. A pale shade of orange on her arms, hands, legs and feet. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.